Today we are going to compare two popular applications for order processing, which is Odoo and SAP Business One. The reason we are going to compare this is to look at the speed at which a certain application is able to process orders faster. Let's dive into it. We understand that SAP B1 as well as Odoo are quite efficient softwares, quite popular in the market, and both systems have the capability to process the orders. Here our focus is to see which particular application can process them faster for your specific business and of course with less efforts. With respect to order processing, our focus is towards looking at what are the real challenges, and if these challenges are addressed, needless to say, we'll be able to bring to a conclusion what makes sure that the order is processed faster. So we understand that lead is captured in the CRM module, the sales order is confirmed in the sales module, the inventory is reserved automatically or on behest of any triggers, the delivery is scheduled and dispatched accordingly, based on the delivery invoice is generated, and finally at certain point of time in future the payment is released to us. Now these are the major 6 critical stages with respect to order processing. At any point of time, if there is any gap, any delay, any error or any lack of coordination within the systems or a mismatch, then we have a case of lost revenue or of course possible delay. Now we have to see the best system which can connect each and every step seamlessly. With respect to Odoo and SAP Business One, we have a certain different philosophy. Odoo is modular and an open source platform, while SAP B1 is primarily a traditional system which basically ensures that all your heritage systems are part of the system. It is primarily designed for large organizations and also feels that complex organizations' logic can be captured. Adaptable workflows can be managed quite well in Odoo, and invoicing from CRM is connected in one single ecosystem. If we compare the steps one particular system needs, then for SAP B1 we have a structured multi-step process. That means it is dependent highly on configuration, and we require proper trained administrator for each of these changes. So of course the data entry is spread across different modules. But if you look at Odoo, has a streamlined connected order flow, which means it requires fewer clicks, and of course the data entry is minimal here. There are smart buttons linked from each transaction, from lead to quotation to order to delivery to invoice. In fact, business users can adapt workflows independently depending on their business. It also ensures that there is minimal handoffs between the two processes. So there is less time that happens with respect to navigating the system and moving from one process to another. If I look at the inventory visibility, which is the major differentiator for such systems, the stock availability, reserve stock availability and forecast stock availability is instantly available to the sales team with respect to Odoo, which most importantly benefits the sales team so that they can book or finalize the orders instantly. If I look at SAP B1, the visibility is available but often requires a warehouse specific navigation, and of course certain additional user permissions may be required as well. Of course, when the orders become faster, that means the billing also becomes faster. So if an order is confirmed faster, the delivery happens quickly, the sooner you will be able to send invoice to the customer. The minimal steps means the faster your collection cycles are also fast. In the SAP, you have accounts receivable invoice raised separately, which means there is a deliberate navigation required in SAP B1. But in case of Odoo, we have seamless connectivity between order, delivery, and invoice. The adaptability and the adoption of the system is quite important with respect to any implementation, and that is true in this situation also. In case of SAP B1, while the software is powerful and feature rich, there is a steep learning curve for all the new users that come into the system. There is a detailed training required, and of course, change management is also significant. But in case of Odoo, it is a browser-based interface. Its UI is quite intuitive and maintained with ergonomic design. And I also feel that teams become productive within days of working in the systems. So effectively, it means there is lower resistance and high adaptability. With respect to costing, if I compare Odoo with SAP B1, the licensing, the Odoo subscription is quite affordable in this scenario. Implementation is also faster than SAP. And with respect to training, there is minimal or limited training required, while SAP requires more training to adapt the system. The ongoing administration can be done by regular users or management of a sales team as well. With respect to ongoing costs, depending on your setup or number of team members, Odoo installation or setup can be done with as low as 2 lakh rupees, a fraction of what we compare with SAP projects. Choosing which framework fits also depends your organization and your working style. So nobody can claim that a certain software is fit for each and every person. If I look at SAP B1, it fits perfectly who are already invested in SAP ecosystem, because there is already large structure enterprise environments with dedicated IT teams, training, knowledge, and process-oriented organizations. But companies who are new age, they are growing at a faster pace and are extremely cost conscious with respect to looking at faster return on investment. In that situation, Odoo becomes the best fit. In conclusion, Odoo fits in best for most organizations. It allows you to do faster processing. It allows you to do higher adoption among users. It is fully connected between CRM, sales, inventory, and the invoicing. And most importantly, it gives the return on investment faster than any other approach. The order processing should be aligned in such a way that it accelerates your growth and does not add on additional administrative bottlenecks. That's all for this video. Thank you very much.